Hey everybody, welcome to the new tutorial of HTML, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you what is hyperlink. A hyperlink in HTML is a link that allows users to navigate from one web page to another web page or to a different section within the same page. Let's see the syntax of this. This is the syntax of that. The A tag defines the link, the href specifies the destination URL, and the click head, the text that appears as the clickable link. Let's write it. I wanna make something like this. When the user click on the Google, it must open the Google page, and I wanna use hyperlink, and I wanna give the destination like this because I wanna open another web page. I have to use like this. Let's close this and let's close it from here, and now let's save this, reload our page. Our text changes into hyperlink, and when we click it, look, it brings us the Google page. And let's see something else. When we wanna opening link in a new tab, we have to use target. Let's use it. When you wanna opening a new link into another web page or self page, you have to use target. Target, if I use blank, it must open the Google page into another web page. Look, when I click, it brings me another web page. And if I change blank into self, let's save and refresh, it must open the Google page into his page. Look, like this. And let's see something else. Types of hyperlink. We have different type of hyperlink, like external link when we wanna open another website, internal link when we wanna a page within the same website, email link when you wanna open email, phone link when you wanna open the phone. And at the end, I want to tell you thank you guys for your attention, and at the next video we are gonna see each other, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys, we will see at the next video.